Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create text for a book cover or report. We're going to use Office Shapes. So go Insert, Shapes, and choose the first one, the text box. And I'm just going to write or type my book title. I'm going to change this to Arial Black. Let's just make this, I'd say 100 for now. Change it to fixed position. Zoom in to 100%. I'm going to center it. I'm going to go into shape format, format shape. You can also right click on here and just choose format shape at the bottom, like so. I'm just going to go into text options. And then for the solid fill, I'll choose green. For the line, text outline, solid line. It can be a black line. Going to make it 3 points, like so. And then we go into text effects. Make sure it's under text options. And we're going to select. So let's do that. Convex, 4.5, and then 3 is what we're going to select. And then for the depth, we're going to make it, we're going to leave it white. I'm going to make it 32. Material, make it metal. For the lighting, bright room. And I'm going to make this 270. I'm just going to type it in. Then we're going to go into rotation. And for the X rotation, I'm going to make it 350. I'm going to just remove this shape outline. And that's it. Thanks for watching.